Hey guys, so today I'm making potato curry. So I've just chopped up some potatoes and rinsed them. I've got some garlic, some onions, some red bell peppers. As for herbs and stuff, I've got some parsley, some thyme, some Caribbean everyday seasoning, some creamed coconut and some mild curry powder. Also I have a vegetable oxo cube and I'm going to put it in some boiling water and create my stock. So I've just got some olive oil in a Pyrex dish that I'm heating up, so I'm going to pull that out now. I'm going to carefully add my potatoes. So I'm just going to part bake these and then I'm going to add my other veggies. So I've part baked my potatoes for about 20 minutes and I'm going to add my veggies and continue to bake for a little longer. So I've just baked for a further 10 minutes and we're starting to get colour on the potatoes. So now I'm going to add in my herbs and my curry powder, parsley, thyme, so everyday seasoning, mild curry powder. Again, I just give it a shake, and the creamed coconut, my vegetable stock, it already smells so good. So I'm just going to return this to the oven and continue cooking. So to go with my potato curry, I've got some carrots with some olive oil that I'm going to roast. I've got some rice that I'm going to put on, and we're also having some fresh broccoli. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So here's what it's looking like out of the oven. It's been cooking for approximately another 20 or 30 minutes. You could even mix up some flour in with your stock if you wanted it thicker, but we find this just fine because the potato lets off its own starch, which does add thickness to the gravy, but that's just personal preference. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like when I've plated it up. Here's what our potato curry looks like plated up. So here's what I mean about the sauce is quite thick. So I don't think you need to add flour, but it's personal preference. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.